Alright everyone, in this session we're going to see how we can set the tags in our project. Again, this is a very important and essential thing to do, which would help us represent some specific details of an object. Okay, now let's see what we have in tag. We have tag by category, for example, which would set the tags based on particular categories, for example, fittings or piping, docks, and so on. For example, I'm going to select this, and then I'm going to select the one of the elements, for example, the pipe here. Now, when we do this, it'll automatically show us the parameters that we have specified before. For example, here we have the diameter of this pipe. But for the fittings, for example, it doesn't show anything because we haven't specified or loaded any tags for this category. So let's load some parameters from annotation folder, piping. Then in here, select a tag for fittings. Now, if you go ahead and click on the fittings, it'll show us some particular tags. And then we can set these tags anywhere in our project, anywhere in our viewport with only a click. Okay, now we said that this particular tag shows us the diameter here. We can, for example, select this and then enter edit family. Here we have the size, we can select it. And then click on edit label. Then we would see a list here containing all the details and infos that we need for the pipes, for example. So as a result, we can select and add some new details here. For example, slope. Okay, what else? Maybe system type. Oh, if we activate this option here, all these new parameters would be set on top of each other. Otherwise, they would be set next to each other. Then in here, we can specify some prefixes and suffixes. And at the end, click on OK. Now load, override, and as you can see, now we have the diameter, the slope percentage, and the system type. And when we change the diameter here, for example, it'll change automatically in our viewport as well. Or, let's change the system type. See? Everything would be done automatically. So now you can easily tag your elements from Annotate tab.